Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Project. So I'm going to show you that how you can install Python in Windows. And if you do not know that how can install the Python, don't worry. Just watch the video till the end and you will automatically know that how can install the Python in Windows. So let's start. Wait. Before we start the video, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon because if we upload any video regarding this, then you will be notified. So let's start. So go to the search tab and search for your browser. I'm going to Google Chrome. You can go through any browser and simply type Python download and enter. Then it opens you a python.org link here. Simply click on that and you'll see the download button here, the Python download 3.9.4. It's the latest version for the window. So it's downloaded. Now simply click on that, then it pop up you the setup screen here. So wait, before installing, just check on this box because this gives the path to your Python. Okay, just check on this box also. So after that, simply click on the install now, and yes, it's installed. And while it's installing, guys, I want to tell you something, that if you want to do any course, if you want to do any language course like Java, Python or anything, so just go to our Telegram and join our channel, because there we can provide so many courses, so many things in free with certification. So if you want to do that, just go to Telegram and join our channel, and make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe and the bell icon, guys. So it's almost done. And guys, after this Python installation setup, we'll do a small project also. I'll show you. Yeah, it's done. Now close the tab, close the browser tab also. Just refresh your system. Now I'm going to simply my search tab and type IDLE. Here we are going to make our first project, and ideally is the PowerShell window. Here we can go to file and now new file and simply rename it. I'm going to save as on my desktop with the name of my first project dot py. Dot py is the extension of Python. Now we can save. Now let's see, if we upload the dot py, it gives the address where we saved our file. Now print hello world. Now if we run that program, then it gives us the output in our PowerShell window. Okay, save it. Now here we can see the hello world here like this. So that's our program, guys. Here you see that our Python is installed successfully. And if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe and the bell notification also. So thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.